Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey gold friends, looking at the daily, weekly, shorter term miners, all kinds of gold stuff. And we do have a little bit of a bullish reversal candlestick forming. It's fairly weak, almost a doji, but we're watching the lower Bollinger Band resistance, and that's the first level the bulls are going to need to get over. Breaking the low of yesterday was a bearish red flag. We did have a double bottom at that level for some of the morning, and then as soon as that broke, that was the signal. Absolutely get in bear miners for a nice day trade as we continue to drop and set lower lowers, and those bear miners got higher highs. So on the weekly time frame, the bulls would absolutely love a rally, a $13 rally over the next 2 days to keep this 200-week moving average as support. It is not likely, but we are seeing the first signs of a potential turnaround. And looking at the hourly, it's very, very early, and I'm not putting much weight into this turnaround at this point. We had the most bullish candlestick we've seen on the hourly, a bullish engulfing, since the dump, the most bullish one, but we didn't confirm it. We did form a higher low, and now we're trying to see some higher highs, but we need to confirm some of these candlesticks and see some momentum in one direction here. I'm looking at 12.79.10. If we break that level, then I'll be a believer in these bulls, as that will be a break over the high of this morning. And that was a bullish reaction to the data released first thing this morning, and then that was quickly erased, leading to lower lows. So the 4-hour chart is still oversold. The RSI is in the low 20s. Bullish reversal doji on the 4-hour, and this candlestick still has over 3 hours to go, so we'll see if we confirm it. Need to see a bullish MACD cross on the 4-hour chart. And because of that bullish end of the day action on gold, even though it was fairly weak, we saw some market strength, and that led to these bull miners seeing bullish reversal hammers. JNUG bullish reversal hammer still closed red, and we need that lower Bollinger Band as support, so update that level first thing at the open tomorrow, and we'll see if we can get a green confirmation day to close over it. NUGT closed green today, and it too needs to close above the lower Bollinger Band, confirm the bullish reversal hammer, and be looking to the upside. So some key things to be watching. I'm also watching the weekly bear miners. They are looking to close over the middle Bollinger Band resistance for the first time in over a year. And if that plays out, we're going to look at a potential longer-term trend change on the bear miners. So keep an eye on those weekly middle Bollinger Bands. And right now we're rejecting from them. And with 2 trading days left to go, and actually Dust is well above its middle Bollinger Band. So Dust certainly standing out on the weekly compared to JDST. And I've been saying that all along, how the majority of the time NUGT is weaker than JNUG, and that's showing it here on the weekly time frame. So this is a potential significant development. The last time the middle Bollinger Band was support on Dust was September 2015. So over a year. And now we're going to likely turn this middle Bollinger Band into support this week. We've got our higher low and our higher high. Next resistance is up at 56.50. Keep an eye on Dust longer term, and we'll see if this oversold bounce playing out on these miners is very short-lived. Could be a nice bearish entry opportunity in Dust. So a potential longer-term trend change. The volume is here to back it up, and we'll be watching to see if the bulls can maintain this middle Bollinger Band. It will begin to level out, and then it will begin to ascend, and the bulls of Dust will want that ascending moving average to take the price with it. So keeping an eye out for a short-term bull miner bounce, short-term gold bounce, but keeping an eye on these weekly, longer-term Dust and JDS plays and favoring Dust due to the positioning over that middle Bollinger Band. So we'll check back in tomorrow. Certainly we'll be keeping an eye on gold overnight to see if we can confirm this 4-hour bullish reversal doji. I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a fantastic night yourself.